Today, we're going to teach you how to install a split connector on your cable. Only install split connectors after you have routed the cable through your boat. Newer Garmin cables do not have the factory-installed locking collars. This allows for easier installation when routing through and behind cabinetry. Double-check the box for the included split locking collar. See the below article for part numbers if lost or if a replacement is needed. You must install the split connector on the cable to ensure a tight connection. First, separate the two halves of the locking ring. Scissors or clippers can be used to separate the two halves. Align the two halves of the locking ring over the cable and snap them together. Then insert the O-ring into the end of the connector. Connect the cable to the desired port. Turn the locking ring clockwise to tighten. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.